Okay, so now that we worked on our descending C scale and we ended back here at our third string open for C, we're going to work our way up to the 5th fret position area. And so what we're going to do is you will start with your C, you finished here, yeah? And then we're going to play our D note on the 2nd fret, 3rd string, right here, 3rd string from the bottom. On the ukulele and guitar, the 1st string is on the bottom, so this is your 2nd and this is your 3rd string, this is your 4th, all right? But right now, use your index finger for that note. Leave it there and use your 3rd finger, and we're going to play our E note right here. Got it? So now we have C, D, E. Now what I want you to do is slide your index finger like this all the way to the 5th fret. You might hear my neighbors yelling out there. Okay, anyways, here we are. Now we have our F. Did you see how we slid from here and the index finger stayed planted down? I didn't lift it up. It just kind of slides. And we have F. You want to see how that goes? So we have C, D, E. Now slide up to F. And make sure you do that slide and you have your index finger is right here now on the 5th fret and the 3rd string. And then get G right here. There's G. F, G. Let's go that far. C, D, E, F, G. A is right here. 5th fret, 2nd string. A. So here's F, F, G, and A. Now we'll get our B note right here, B, and then reach over for C. Did you see how we did that? A, B, C. Very good. So now we're going to do this. Okay, have fun with that, you guys. See you next video.